What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join the team. My Recompense. I'm showing you how to get paid to fix your credit. How do I get paid to fix my credit? First and foremost, without even my Recompense, once you fix your credit, you will be paying yourself. Because how do I pay myself? Because when you got a 550 and an 800, your car, the same car affects your bank account a little different. A little bit more comes out your bank account when you got a 550 than if you had an 800. And some people with 800s, they might be paying 1-2% on the same car loan you're paying 9% on. So I said a little bit more. Obviously, I meant a lot more. It's a big difference on what you could be paying for your car loan. So don't even get to the house. If somebody's paying 3% on their mortgage, same house. Say you got a $400,000 house, you're paying 3% on the mortgage. And it's amortizing. So if your loan is 3% and their loan, say the 550 or the 620 or whatever, you gotta have the minimum. It's so you got 620, but they got 800. No. The 800 person is probably with like the 2%, 3% on their loan. Let's just say that. But the person with the 620, you're getting a 4.5, 5.5. I even heard somebody say they had 7% on their loan. Stay away from the APRs, the ones that just rotate and get bigger in time because the way inflation is, it's going to kill you in the end. But if you got fixed, I'm talking about fixed accounts, 30-year mortgages, somebody 400,000, somebody that has a 3% versus somebody has a 4.5%. The one with the 4.5 to 5%, you didn't probably brought another house. And it only seems like 1 point some percent, but that's a lot of money. A lot of money you'll pay out. Let me see. Matter of fact, for sake of purposes of this video, let me see real quick. I will go to give me 1 second. Go to something I don't even need. Let's go here. So we're going to go and let's do calculator. Oh, mortgage refinance. See, some of these you gotta watch out for. Okay, good. It's on the page. You don't have to play with it. So we said 300,000, right? That's the house. 30-year fix. Monthly. This is all right. Let me see. Interest is 6.9%. Oh, 30,000. Yeah, I'm about to say. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I knew that one right. I could just look at that and tell that wasn't right. All right, so that's $300,000. That's the person with a 6.6. And why would he even jump to 6.6? I already let you know that right now. Times is crazy. That's what I'm trying to tell you, especially those that don't get fixed. You get that HBR a arm. There you go. The arm. Don't get no arm. Don't get an arm because you might start at 3% and you'll be at 6% in the next few years. And it's gonna go past fast. So you're not gonna really notice it until you notice it. So 300,000, 30-year fix, 6%. That's what you'll be paying. So this is the person with the 600 and something credit score. So somebody has an 800. You see that 1916, right? Oh, matter of fact, let me pull up my other calculator so you can see what you're paying for the whole house. So let's just go ahead and do 1916 times third. Should I do 12 times 30? Hold on. We do times 30 times 12. 689,000. So that's what your house, you're paying 689,000 for that house at this price, right? Just showing you the importance of credit. So now, if you go down here and you have your credit good, do you see the difference? That's like $400 less. Pull up the calculator so we can see what we started off with. Right. So you make this big. The last one was 1916. So somebody with an 800 score is enjoying $700 more than you in your own account. So let's just say if you had the same job, you made the same amount of money, and you bought the same house for the same price, they are living way better than you. They got $700 more to pay the town rate. They can actually stick a Beamer in the price that you paying for your house because their credit is better. Look at that. Now let's do that one was 689,000. Let's do this one. So we'll do 1265 times 30 times 12. $455,000. So you spent $234,000 more. You pretty much bought another house. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You spend $200,000 more. 250, 40. What was 200? Let me go back to it real quick. $244,000, $34,000 more. $34,360 more on your house. Same house. Nothing different. Same everything. Same everything is what you pay when your credit is jacked up. That's why it's important to make sure your credit is fixed. And what does my Recompense bring you? Credit secrets. This right here shows you how to fix your credit by yourself. And it's only $65. $65 for one position. Now, if you want to come in and help the community and buy a position every month, that's up to you. But the products remains the same. And not only do we have that, we were blessed with this by one of our members. So now we have how to couple and beat the odds and take control of your credit and finances. So not only are we showing you how to fix your credit, we're showing you how to spend your money and save your money and invest your money. So you get both of these for $65. People, do you know what it costs to buy these individually and go through the program? I know I paid over a couple $100 for just this part. So what this was the extra extension I didn't pay for. So you probably get about let's just say $400 worth of material for $65. And when we brought this, we didn't get paid for this. Now you got a chance to start your own business also because being in here, you buy a position, and now you get a chance to go through the matrix with everyone else. You get a chance to go through the matrix. So credit repair, money repair, showing you how to change your mindset, fix your thinking on how you spend your money, save your money. It's all in my Recompense. It's all in my Recompense. And any business that we start from here on forth, we're going to be based on how to fix you. Because this part right here is priceless. Because once you go stand inside of knowing you about to open up this business or open up this or open up that or buy this, or you about to go get that Maybach or you about to go get that Bentley, whatever, you feel a lot different when you know when they run you, they're going to see 800. You already know they're going to be just eating out your hands. You know they're going to bring you, they ain't going to bring you the little, what you call it, coffee that came out the pot that they pour for the rest of the employees. They're gonna bring you a Keurig and sit it on your desk and make the coffee for you right there. It's totally different when you got crooked credit. You're buying a home is different. Everything is different because they really gear to you. You know what I'm saying? When you got good credit, but when you don't, they be sitting there trying to give you what they want to give you. Stop getting what people want to give you and get what you're supposed to get. So how do you make money with this? So what I'll do is I'll go out and I'll come back to the homepage, because right on the homepage, it tells you exactly. You can watch this video, explains everything. How do you make money with this? It shows the owner and me and my beautiful queen right there. Our mission statement on how we're trying to help folks out. Our rewards plan. And it starts out with $50. So $65. $65 to come in, $10 for your whoever enrolls you, and $5 for the admin plan to pay for your fees. So $5 goes to admin, $10 goes to whoever enrolls you. Our rewards plan first round, so $50 goes in. So once you get to the pay line, where that means you're here and two people are under you, and then when the next row fills up, that first $50 goes back to you. So now you only out $15, and you're still fixing your credit. And not only that, the next two people that come, because they're going to once you get this first person, the next three people are yours. So they come to you. So this next 1, 2, when that comes through, these two are going to put you in another board to make you more money. And this one right here, gonna put you back in the same board. And next time you go through this board, you're gonna make more money. How do you say that? Right here. It's right all on the front page of the website. You don't even have to think this thing through. All you gotta do is read. So second round and forever. When you're on second round and forever, your re-entry is right here. But the first three is all yours. So now you're making $150. So once you make it through, matter of fact, once you get this person, you're already, I mean, yeah, think about it. Once you left this board, you already made the $200. It's just that you didn't pay to get into the next board. Now you get ready to get paid on that board. And you didn't pay to get back in here because now you're about to get paid again on this board. So this board brings you here to the second and forever. And this happens with all the different boards. So now you just, you get 150 instead of 50. You get 150, and this 50 right here always brings you back in. So you get 150 again, and 150 again, and 150 again, as long as people are joining. And this right here breaks down how it cycles. 65 get started, $10 referral business. And guess how much you got to do? Nothing. All you got to do is come in, start fixing your credit, start telling people, bring 2 people in that join with you, and then teach them how to bring 2. Fix your credit, fix their credit, they fixing their credit, automated upgrade, automated reentry, automated upgrade is done once. Do you know how much people charge people to fix their credit now? I paid, I mean, you got to think about it. It was one good place that you pay like $150 a month. They're good. But the stuff that they're doing is the same stuff that's in the book. You just got to do it on your own. And guess how much you're going to pay? $65. Now you probably got to buy some stamps and some envelopes, and some printer paper because you got to send letters out. But how much is that going to cost you? Is that $150 a month? No, that might cost you another $20. You know what I'm saying? So that's 65 plus the 20 for your postage and stamps to send stuff. Because you can send as much as you want in a letter. Now they might do one thing at a time, but you can go and print your letter out like, yo, I hit this, hit this, hit this. And how many different letters can you fit in one envelope to send? So maybe you might spend a little bit more to send your stuff off, but this is you fixing you. So automated everything. Only thing you got to do is tell to and withdraw. You fund your account, you buy your position, you come over here to your bonuses, it's under bonuses, and then you go straight and start get your book, download it, and start fixing your credit. And then while you're fixing your credit, by the time you start fixing your credit, and if everybody's doing the same thing, you'll start seeing some money come through. But it takes everybody to help. Spillover machine, meaning people under you, over you, are going to put people under you. They have to go somewhere. Everybody's helping everybody. So the people that push you through are not going to be the people you brought in. The people going to push you through, somebody else brought them in. Unless you join and 2 seconds later, you put your 2 people in right behind you, which never happens. You got to have everybody ready to join. Like you join, all right, next minute, somebody, next minute. That's the only way you probably ever going to see your people or know that they're in the same matrix with you. Because you still might not see them because they'll be side by side at that point in time. Company force matrix, everybody's helping everybody. 5%, $5 admin fee, and a 5% withdrawal fee. Pays for the fees on the way out. Fees is everywhere because crypto is expensive to move back and forth. And reward signals, like I showed you, cycle 1, 50, 100, 20, 200, 400, and there's always 2,400 at the bottom because the $800 board, you don't upgrade. So you get all 3 of them. So when you hit, this is the $800 board all day long. So you get $2,400 the whole time. And right now, you tell we're new. We're about a month and almost 1.5 old. So we haven't even been around a while. So we got plenty of time to go. Second cycle, reward center 1. This is the second cycle. And remember, this always stays the same. But look how much you make. That's $4,650 that you can make over and over again. But remember, while you're waiting to cycle this one, you didn't cycle these ones quite a few times before you even get to this one. So this is what we have. Paying you while you're fixing your credit. Fix your credit, get paid to fix your own credit. That's crazy. So it's increasing you in so many different ways at one time. Increasing you in so many different ways at one time. So get paid to fix your credit. All right, beautiful people. It's your boy Terrence Gibson. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join the team, join somebody. You ain't got to join me. Find another Recompense member. You don't have to join the admin. Find somebody else to join. It doesn't really matter. We're all helping each other get through this. Amen. All right. God bless.